Meaning of Cyclops. Cyclops. Cyclops.
Cyclops. Cyclops. Cyclops is a Greek mythological creature with a single eye in the middle of its forehead. The name Cyclops means round-eyed or circle-eyed. In mythology, Cyclopes were known for their strength and craftsmanship, and were often depicted as being members of the god Zeus's workforce. They were also commonly associated with Homer's epic poem, the Odyssey, where the hero Odysseus encountered the Cyclops Polyphemus. Despite their fearsome reputation, Cyclopes were not generally considered to be evil creatures, but rather part of the tapestry of Greek mythology.